am a member of the Full Rights for Immigrants Coalition. I have submitted, on behalf of the Full Rights for Immigrants Coalition, complaints to the US Department of Justice. I've also filed complaints with LA County District Attorney Cooley. I've also filed complaints with the State Attorney General Edmund Brown. I've also given copies to all the council members of the complaints. The complaints are not only against Bob Kellar, the complaints are also against the entire City Council of Santa Clarita. So Juan, I think, is going to do a translation in Spanish.
Yeah, no, keep going.
Okay. In relation to Bob Kellar, the Full Rights for Immigrants Coalition believe, as an elected public official, Mr. Kellar has breached the public's trust and has acted in an unethical, racist, xenophobic, and biased manner by making public comments scapegoating so-called illegal immigrants. It strongly appears that Mr. Kellar is a member of the Santa Clarita Valley Independent Minutemen group, or has strong ties with the right-wing extremist group, which has a history of promoting violence, hate, and xenophobia against immigrants under the guise of being patriotic and American. And we see that example here today. Thus, Councilman Kellar also has a conflict of interest. As such, Councilmember Kellar is promoting the Minutemen agenda, while at the same time being a member of the Santa Clarita City Council. For example, on several occasions, Councilmember Kellar has quoted a statement from President Theodore Roosevelt that declares that the United States only has room for one flag, one language at previous Santa Clarita City Council meetings. Clearly, this is a conflict of interest, since it promotes the ideas of the Minutemen and violates the First Amendment to the U.S. Constitution. We, the Full Rights for Immigrant Coalition, believe that the public comments of Councilmember Kellar as a sitting member of the Santa Clarita City Council has violated 8 provisions of the Code of Ethics and Conduct Policy of the City of Santa Clarita. Number 1, respect. Number 2, fairness. Number 3, compliance with the law. Number 4, act in the public interest. Number 5, conflict of interest. Number 6, advocacy. Number 7, implementation. Number 8, compliance. Lastly, the Full Rights for Immigrant Coalition believes that the other members of the Santa Clarita City Council have violated 7 provisions of the City of Santa Clarita's policy of ethics and conduct by not speaking out and condemning the statements of fellow council member Bob Kellar. Thank you for your attention in this matter.
Okay, pues básicamente